Hello, I'm Elin Phillips and I'm playing the Empress and the Weaver. The show is about a young emperor who gets embarrassed at his first parade, and when he gets older he's so determined to be fashionable and cool that he demands the best